Thousands were evacuated from their homes on Wednesday, one day after Typhoon Vicente made landfall on the southern Chinese border. In the city of Shenzhen, rescue workers evacuated 126 people after torrential rains and gale-force winds slammed the Guangdong province. Further south, in the city of Zhuhai, farmers are facing tens of thousands of dollars in agricultural losses. In the mountainous Guangxi province, almost 10,000 residents were evacuated after heavy overnight rains flooded local homes and farmland in the city of Shenzhou, causing an estimated $7.3 million in damages. Chinese state media reports say around 110 people have been killed across the country, and another 47 are missing in floods that have swept China since last Friday. Sara Wali, Reuters.